In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable multi-factor authentication, or MFA, for the Kron PAM portal to add an extra layer of security to user logins. To begin, navigate to the Administration menu, then select the Multi-Factor Authentication submenu. From here, go to the User Group Management tab. In this tab, locate the user group for which you want to enable MFA and activate the OTP one-time password option for this group. Next, we'll update the system settings to require MFA for portal logins. Go to the System Configuration Management menu, add a new configuration parameter, and set the parameter to true. This enables MFA across the portal, prompting users to provide a one-time password upon login. With MFA enabled, let's see how a user logs in. When the user enters their username and password, Kron PAM will ask for a token. The user opens the Kron PAM mobile application, retrieves the one-time password, and enters it into Kron PAM. If the code is correct, the user successfully logs into the portal, completing the MFA process.